Hello everyone. Up to 10th question I have explained in last video. So further we will discuss question number 11. In 11th question there is statement if the difference of 8 times the number and 6. They are saying difference between 6 and 8 times a number. So we will let number is x. Okay, 8 times a number and 6. Difference between 6 and 8 times a number. Okay, is same. Same means equal. Same as the sum is this. Sum of 4 times a number and 14. But they are saying difference of 8 times a number means 8x and 6 is same as sum of 4 times the number means 4x and 14. So what we will do now, 8 multiply x, 8x minus 6 is equal to 4 multiply x, 4x plus 14. Now constant one side and variable one side. So 8 minus 4, 4x is equal to 20. Now x is equal to 20 upon 4. So x is equal to 5. Now we will put here. So our number is 5. So this is the answer. Now next question is, in a bus the number of women is 3 times the number of children. In a bus the number of women are 3 times number of children. So we don't know how many children are there. So what we will take here, children are x. So women are 3 multiply x. Again I am repeating, in a bus the number of women is 3 times the number of children. Women are 3 times means 3 multiply number of children, but we don't know the number of children, how many children are there. So we will let here x. So women are 3x. Okay, now they are saying number of mans is 1.5 times number of women. So women are 3x. So we will put here number of women. Okay, so mans are 1.5 multiply 3x. So remove the decimal. So here is 45 upon 10x. That means 4.5x. So women are 3x, children are x, mans are 4.5x. Okay, now total number of total people are 70. Okay, now suppose in a fair how we will calculate the total population, how we will count the total population. We will add the man, we will add the number of women, we will add the children. So we will get total population. Is it clear? Total population is man plus woman plus children. So here are mans are 4.5x, number of women are 3x and children are x. So these total are 70. Okay, now 4.5 means 45 upon 10x plus 3x plus x is equal to 70. Okay, now we will take LCM. This is the LCM. Now 30 and 40, 30 and 10, 40, 40 and 40, 80, 85. Okay, now total are 85x upon 10 upon 10x is equal to 70. Now here 85 x is equal to See here, x is equal to 70. Now it is in multiplication, so you will divide it. So this will change in multiplication and we will reciprocal of it. Okay, now 55 पे 5 to the 10, 5. So 170. Okay, so our answer is our answer is 8.2. 140 upon 17, 8.2. Now we have to find the number of man. We have to find number of man. So man are 4.5x. 4.5x. So we will put the value of x here. 45 upon 10 multiply 82 upon 10. So we will get the answer is 36.9. So total are 36 men. Okay. Now next question is 14. Mohan's father is 5 times as old as Mohan. Mohan's father age is 5 times as old as Mohan. 5 times of Mohan's age. Mohan's father age is 5 times of Mohan's age, but we don't know the age of the Mohan, so we will let here Mohan's age is x. Now they are saying sum of their age, means sum of father's age and Mohan's age is sum of Mohan's age means x and 5x. Okay, it is given 48 years. Now 5x and 1x is 6x is equal to 40x. Now x is equal to 48 upon 6. So now you can cut it 8. So x is 8. Now you have to find the age of the Mohan's father and Mohan's age. So Mohan's age is 8 years and Mohan's father years is 5 times of Mohan, means 5 times of Mohan. Mohan age is 8. So 40 years. So Mohan's age is 8 years and Mohan's father age is 40 years. Now 16th question is, in a bag of red and blue balls, there is a bag. In the bag, total balls, blue and red balls are there. Number of blue balls are 2 more than red balls. 2 more than red balls. But we don't know how many red balls are there, so we will let here red balls are x. So blue balls will be 2 plus red balls. Red ball means x. This. Okay. Now, how many red balls are there in a bag? If total balls are 40, so total balls are 40. So if we will count in a bag, red balls and blue balls are there. So what we will do? Red balls plus blue balls equal to total balls. So total are 40 and blue are 2 plus x and red are x. Now x plus x, 2x plus 2 is equal to 40. Now 2x is equal to 40 minus 2. So 2x is equal to 38. Now x is equal to 19. So red balls are 19. Okay. So blue balls will be x plus 2 na. So x is 19. 19 plus 2, 21. And red balls are red balls are 90. Okay, now last question is the length of rectangle. So this is rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle. So length of rectangle is length. Length means this. 3 less than 3 less than 4 times a breadth. 4 times its breadth. But we don't know the breadth is. So we will let here x. Breadth is x. So length is 3 less than 4 times breadth. Breadth is x. So we will consider, let breadth is x, length is 4x minus 3. Now parameter is given 94 meter. But we know what is the parameter of the rectangle. 2l plus b is equal to parameter. We will put here the value of length. Length is 4x minus 3. Breadth is x is equal to parameter is 94. So now 2, 4x and x, 5x minus 3 is equal to 94. Now 2 5s are 10x minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 94. Now 10x is equal to 94. It will be in addition. Now 10x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 by 10. 100 by 10. So x is 10 meter. Now we have let here x is breadth. So that means breadth is. So it means breadth is x. X means 10 meter. And length is 4x minus 3. But we have value of x, that is 10. We will put here. Now 40 minus 3, that is equal to 37 meter. So we have to find length and breadth, and this is the length and the breadth. Length is this and breadth is this. Now this exercise is completed. If you have any doubt, then you can ask, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.